Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how watermelon juice is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Fresh watermelons arrive daily, carefully selected for premium watermelon juice quality. Each watermelon is washed and cleaned to ensure pure and hygienic watermelon juice. Advanced systems sort every watermelon to maintain consistent watermelon juice taste. Preparation machines move the fruit efficiently, ready for the next watermelon juice stage. Watermelon flesh is crushed to extract fresh, natural watermelon juice efficiently. Pure watermelon juice flows out, preserving its natural color and refreshing taste.
Experts monitor every step to ensure perfect watermelon juice consistency and safety.
The juice is carefully mixed to maintain smooth and balanced watermelon juice quality. Pipelines transport fresh watermelon juice seamlessly to the next production phase.
Watermelon juice is gently pasteurized to eliminate bacteria while keeping it fresh. Filtration ensures smooth and clean watermelon juice with perfect texture. Smart automation controls every detail of watermelon juice processing with precision. The juice is quickly cooled to preserve freshness and natural watermelon juice flavor.
Every drop of watermelon juice reflects purity, freshness, and vibrant color.
Fresh watermelon juice is filled into bottles bisurva and with perfect accuracy. Each bottle of watermelon juice is securely sealed to maintain freshness. Labels are applied with precision, giving every watermelon juice bottle its identity. Bottles are packed carefully, ready to deliver fresh watermelon juice worldwide. The packaging area runs non-stop, handling thousands of watermelon juice bottles daily.
Clarity looks good on this batch. Yeah, seals are holding tight, no leaks reported.
Lab tests ensure each batch of watermelon juice meets strict quality standards.
Finished watermelon juice is packed and prepared for safe transportation.
Shipments of watermelon juice are loaded and ready to reach stores worldwide.
And that's how watermelon juice is made, from start to finish. From fresh fruit to final bottle, watermelon juice is crafted with care and precision.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.